Yo, yo, yo. Yo. What's up, boys and girls? What's going on? What's going on? Give me a second. I'm just setting shit up. It's been a little while since I streamed. Been a little while since I streamed. Feel me? Feel me? How's everyone doing, man? Yo! Yosef, what is up, boys and girls? Ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls. What's happening? What's happening? Who goes there? Who goes there? Huh? Anybody? Been gone for a few days and you guys just left me, or what? The deal? What the deal, bro? What the deal? How's everyone doing? Let me just get the TikTok started up. I got some green tea. Some green tea. We're gonna get active. We're gonna get active in the charts. And then we're gonna do some analysis. We're gonna do some analysis. Quick. Some analysis. What's up, Seal? There we go. Somebody's there. Somebody is there. We live. We are alive. We are alive to the sound of music. I was taking any trades, only the signals, Seal. Only the signals. I took one trade on gold yesterday, which we talked about in the was it yesterday or was it today? No, it was yesterday, which talked about in the Discord, I think in the general section. Breakout trade. It was this breakout trade here yesterday. V5 breakout trade from the 30-minute, I believe. Yeah. So from this V5 level right here, this 30-minute candle closed above. I took entries right here. Price went about 12 pips into profit. I moved stops to break even, and I was out of break even. There was also the buy signal there as well. That's the only trade. This, because I've been away on holiday this week, since last Sunday. Yesterday and today were the only days I was actually able to sit down at the charts and look at gold and look to take some trades. So the rest of the week, of course, I've been sitting by the pool, you know what I'm saying, relaxing on holiday. So I didn't really want to sit there and stare at a chart on gold, you know, of gold, and kind of, I wasn't really bothered. I just wanted to enjoy my holiday. So yeah, this week, yesterday, the first day, I was able to really sit there and watch gold. How about you, Sil? We're going to do some analysis on gold in a second. Some analysis. I'm gonna get some analysis done. So stick around for the analysis on gold and whatever else. Oh my god, this shit's frozen. Whatever else you guys want, whatever other analysis you want and any other pair, let me know. We'll get it on and crack it. Log in. Are you kidding me? I have to log in to TikTok to start the stream. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Scan with your mobile. Okay, mobile device camera. You guys can't see this shit. What's up, Zuan? Yeah, TikTok's starting up now. I haven't started the TikTok streaming app for like a week, so it's got some updates to do and shit, you know, like. Unable to log in. Okay. I'm already logged in. I'm already logged in apparently, but it's unable to log in. I probably should have. I've taken one trade of the signal, which got me 25 pips. Nice, bro. Nice. What time frame was that, Seal? $15-minute. Nice, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The 15 minutes work best. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Looking at this week, there's been some really good signals this week that I've missed because I've been on holiday. Like this 30-minute signal right here, which happened on Wednesday, drove down for about 70 pips, and then would have hit break even, but you would have got 70 pips out of that. This one was invalid because it didn't get triggered. This sell signal was invalid, didn't get triggered. This 30-minute signal right here drove up without hitting break even, like 154, 55 pips. 154 pips right there. This signal right here, 30-minute signal, drove up here like 40 pips. Invalid. The V5, the signals on V5 have been going crazy. This one right here was about 82 pips. This one right here, 130 pips. This buy signal right here, 62 and beyond. Potentially would have hit break even, but 100 pips, 160 pips. Like the signals, the V5 signals have been going crazy lately, man. Crazy. On top of the hour, brother. What's up, Tao? Top of the morning to you there, boy. Top of the morning. Where is TikTok? What's happening with TikTok? TikTok's, oh my god. TikTok is freezing my computer right now and it's just not logging in. So I guess we're not having a TikTok stream today, man. Cool, bruh. Hello. TikTok, don't stop. Yeah, sorry guys. Once I sort out TikTok, logged in. Unable to log in. Please try again. Log in. You're already logged in. Got it. Log in. You're already logged in. Unable to log in. So I'm logged in, but I'm unable to log in. All right. So yeah, I guess that's it, man. I guess we're not streaming on TikTok right now. Cool. Cool, man. Love it. I love that shit. Gotta love that shit, man. All right. So first of all, do you guys want me to do analysis on anything other than gold right now, or do we want to see some gold analysis? Do we want to see some breakdown on gold? Let me know. Let me know. You let me know. Whatever you want, I will do. All right. Make sure you're liking up the stream as well. All right. Make sure you like up the stream if you're in here. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. But let me know what you want. Do you want gold analysis or do you want something else? Don't be shy now. Don't be shy now. Gold? Alright. Well, as you can see, I'm currently looking at buys above this area. But we're selling off. So I have time. I have time to delete everything and restart. Alright. So first of all, we have to look at the monthly because we've got about 11 hours left of this monthly candle. And it's looking nice. Gold is looking very nice, right? Obviously, we created that bottom wick. We broke the highs. We're pushing bullish. So if we close above here, it's going to be an interesting month because what I would anticipate for next month is price to retrace into here and then continue bullish, right? Simple break and tap. This area obviously was retested by gold. If I just mark this out like that. As you can see, we got the break. There's that previous monthly high. We got the break, the tap, and the drive. Beautiful. Textbook CPAC setup right there. So looking at the weekly, the reason why I gave potential buy signals today, I'm not going to tell you from what zone or what price, only the people in the VIP will get that, but the reason why I sent out buy signals today on gold is because of that, right? The monthly is bullish, previous weekly is bullish. We've broke and tapped that previous weekly high. So there's the previous weekly high, the closure above, the tap, and gold could potentially start driving here, right? Now we have some news tonight. That is also another reason why I was looking at the buys for price to push gold with news. All right, so I've just marked out this weekly high over here, and I've also marked out the previous weekly high. And going on to the daily on gold, you can see we've retested this area this week. This was Monday right here, okay? This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then today, of course, right? So you can see that we've tested this level every single day this week apart from today, right? This level right here. Monday, we tested it. Tuesday, we tested it. Wednesday, tested it. Thursday was in that zone as well, testing it. So a bit of consolidation, but what is intriguing me today is the fact that we've had a clear retest of this level now, a spike out, a grab of liquidity from under these daily lows. That bottom weekly bottom wick has been well and truly formed in here. And now we have a bullish daily closure. So now we have the bullish monthly, the bullish weekly. Now we have a bullish daily closure in here, right? And this is the previous weekly highs. So if we start breaking these highs in here, and previous weekly highs, gold can start flying to the upside, especially like I said with news, right? Let's take a look at the 12-hour. First 12-hour candle today closed bullish, right? So there's the break of the 12-hour highs. So everything on gold right now, everything, monthly, weekly, daily, 12-hour, all pointing bullish, right? All bullish closures, all pointing bullish. And if you see exactly, if I go to the daily, right, and I get the Fibonacci and I mark out yesterday's daily candle from the low to the high, right, and I just want to mark out the 50 level right here, the 50 level to the 75 level, right, 50 to 75. I'm just going to drag that across, and I'm going to pull out the middle line of that range, right? Now take a look at that. There's the mid range of the 50 to the 75 right there, okay? Look where price tapped perfectly into today, right? If we go down to the 12, you can see that's exactly where we tapped in as well today. And if we go to the 4, look at that reaction from that level there on the 4-hour time frame. The tap, the drive, right? And very simple. You could look at the 1-hour time frame as well, right? Once you get those 1-hour bullish closures in here, price starts to absolutely fly to the upside, right? So the thing is, right, although we have this level, I'm just going to get rid of the background. Although we have this level, we also have this resistance in here now, right? We also have this resistance. So this is the tricky part of it, right? If gold flies from here, it's really going to fly and it's going to break this area. It has to break this area now because, you know, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've got another tap in here, potentially 5, right? All rejecting this area. So if around news, around 10:30, we have news, right? You could see gold start to absolutely fly through this area or go up, grab liquidity, tap into this area, and then start driving to the downside because we haven't had much of a sell-off yet from all-time highs being created, right? And we know each time all-time highs get created, like in the past, 1, 2, 3, you've saw a big sell-off here on gold, right? And we've yet to have that yet, right? We've created all-time highs over here, but we haven't had that sell-off yet. So the fact that, you know, gold here on the 4-hour time frame is forming this very strong resistance where price is failing to break through now on multiple occasions, you know, leads me to believe we could see gold start to sell off, which would align with that weekly all-time high sell-off that we usually get. But there's no indication of that just yet because we have a daily bullish candle. It's an inside bar candle, so it didn't break the highs or the lows of the previous daily candle, this one right here. So that also creates indecisiveness. But as of right now, like I said, monthly, weekly, daily, 12-hour, 4-hour, all bullish candles, right? All aligning with bullish candles to the upside. So that is why I am looking at buys potentially above this area to potentially fill like this range right here. This will be a scalp. You know, I'd say about 50 pips to the top maybe. Or you've got kind of this area in here where we could spike into. But at the moment, yeah, the only thing I'm really interested in is buys. Kind of above this range here to fill this range. And something I want to point out also is kind of like this. It's not really a trend line. It's more to show like, you know, structure, right? Bullish structure. I'm not counting this as bullish structure because this was part of this downtrend, right? That was a lower low. There's a high, a low, and then we started to create the higher lows and higher highs, right? So I'm not counting this low here as a structure point in this uptrend. I'm only counting these two bullish structure points right here, okay? Because as I said, this was part of a new low that broke structure over here as part of this downtrend move. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. But as of right now, I am looking for buys. Above. How do I want to grab that right there, not that. There we go. I am looking for buys above this level. All right, buys above. Buy zone at the moment, I wouldn't be looking at any buys in this area, because now, again, as you can see, we are creating bullish structure here on the 30, but now we've tapped into this resistance, and guess what? We haven't created a higher high. Now we've created a lower high, right? We haven't broke the highs over here. We've created a lower high in here now. So this could be an indication now that we've tapped into this resistance again. You could see price come down back into this area. Just have to wait and see now. But the only way I would look at buys is above this area now, to fill this range right here and beyond. Because all you have to do is just zoom out on gold, and you can clearly see we are in heavy consolidation. Heavy consolidation, right? So that's why I'm looking at trades like above here to break out, potential breakout of this area. Or, you know, that's all I'm really looking for at the moment. Like I said, monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 12-hour bullish, 4-hour bullish, 30-minute right here is bullish with the current structure, as you can see, right? So literally every single time frame right now that I've gone on to is showing gold as bullish. So that's all I am looking at right now. All right. La, 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 la. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. What's everyone's thoughts on gold right now? What is everybody's thoughts on gold right now? You tell me. Time for a sell-off? What's your reasoning behind that? Why do you think it's time for a sell-off? I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just wondering what the reasoning is. What's your reasons, bro? I'm gonna try to start up the TikTok again in a second. If not, it's probably chalked, brother. We're chalking it for tonight, man. We'll come back on the TikTok next week, stronger, better. Stronger and better than ever. What do you guys think of the new website? What do you guys think, man? Think it's good or bad? Good or bad? I'm about to publish it in a second. If you guys want to have a look, I'll post a link. I want you guys to go check it out and leave, if you leave, you know, give me some positive comments, or not, or just some, you know, you can tell me the truth. And then we'll do some analysis on whatever you guys want. If you want me to do analysis on anything, let me know right now. I'm about to publish it, all right? Ah, my eyes. Sell off before a drive. All right. I mean, yeah, which would make sense, right? Because this is basically potentially just a 4-hour top wick being formed, right? Very simple. Yeah. Yeah. I'll put it in the chat. forexpercody.com. You can't even click that, can you? But yeah, this potentially just could be a 12-hour, 4-hour bottom wick first of all, right? Because that's what a candle needs to do. It needs to create a bottom wick before it flips and starts driving. So yeah, this potentially right here is just a bottom wick being formed for that 4-hour, 12-hour candle before we start seeing price flip and continue in the upside. But let me know what you guys think about the website. It's just being launched. Let me know if you fuck with it or if you don't fuck with it. Is it a vibe? Is it too much? Is it easy to navigate? Do you get everything that you need to get from there and more, or do you want more information? Let's see if the TikTok wants to work now. Log in to begin. Apparently they're going to send me a message, a text message. Select two objects that are the same shape. Bruh. 500782. It's better if I can let me log in. I thought you were off this week. Nah, not this week, man. There we go. We're finally logged in. Extended chat. The redesigned floating window when you're live. Float in. Okay, where do I get that from? Yo, brothers. Wagwan, brothers. TikTok is live. So where do I get this? Where do I get this extended window from then? Don't know, bro. Floating window. There you go. Okay, pop out then. Come on. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Nah, I'm not off this week. Lawnell. I'm back this week, bro. I was off last week. But we're back this week. We're back. Eluar. What's up, Eluar? But yeah, if you guys want me to do any analysis on any other pair, let me know. Let me know, bro. Let me know, bro. Let me know, bro. It has been a while, bro. What's up, man? I'm good. How are you? What's up, Inu? Glod? Oh, gold? Yeah, this is gold. xauusd. Extended chat. What's extended chat? Floating window. How do I get it out? How do I get this floating window out? I want to see it. I want to see the floating window. I want to see this floating window. Where is it? Where is it, TikTok? I don't see it. I don't see it. Alex W, appreciate the follow. Long holiday? Yeah, I've just come back from holiday as well. I just come back from the Gold Coast, LOL. I went to Tasmania at the start of the month, and I've just got back from Gold Coast, so I've been away for quite a bit as well. This is my first stream back in about a week, I think. Over a week. So, but I want to know where this floating window is. Albania, nice, bro. How was Albania? I can feel it. How was Albania? One other pair I do want to look at is GJ. Oh, interesting. 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 I'm still anticipating GJ to sell off, but maybe not. Maybe not, bro. Maybe not, bro. Let me know how you know. Yeah, GJ's done right now, man. It's done. Dunzo. Glad we got out of this trade. Hot and sweating. Yeah, Europe's been crazy this year, right? In terms of heat. Even the UK I saw was like crazy hot. But like usually you get stints of heat in the UK. Like you'll get it for like a few weeks, couple weeks or something. And then it's gone, but it's staying around by the looks of it. Which is good for you guys in the UK. UK, stand up. My love for you is so strong again. Are we going to get the sell-off here on CHF JPY? Are you in UK? I'm in Australia. Bra 4GG. Australia, mate. Me in bloody Australia. I live here, mate. I live here, mate. This is my home. This is my home now. So yeah, we're currently in a sell in the academy, members of the academy. Currently in a sell here on a CHF JPY. Let's see how this plays out. If it doesn't start playing out soon, I'm probably going to end up closing this trade because it's kind of playing around right now. Kind of playing around right now, mate. Mate, you're dreaming. What's AUD? AUD, yeah. Sorry. AUD USD. I was anticipating a price to continue bullish here today. Coming into this area. This resistance. Also just this one as well. Into there though. It's got a bit of a long way to come, but I think we can come up into this area at least. 5% right here. Let's see. Let's see. Let me know how you know. Yeah, a lot of players just consolidating now, man. It was a good week. Yeah, it was a decent week, man. I'm actually up this week in the from the Signals channel. Not that one, this one. I'm up 2.1. 2.1 I'm up this week. 1.7. 1.7 after all the fees and swaps. So 1.7k, not bad. I've only took one trade on gold this week, which was a break even. Yeah. Good week, man. Decent week. Decent week. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. What's gold doing? Coming down. Coming down to this area. News is coming? Yeah, news isn't until another hour and 40 minutes yet. An hour 40, bruh. Hour 40. What funding challenge or company is good? I have no idea, to be honest. I've not once in my life done a funded account or challenge. So I have no idea. Some people in the chat might be able to help you. I heard Top Step is pretty good. The OGs are always good. FTMO, solid. You know, your best chance of a payout if you're a profitable trader is probably through like somewhere like FTMO. Otherwise, I don't know, man. I don't keep up to date with that shit. I've never traded a funded prop firm account, so I'm not the best person to give you that advice, to be honest. Where is gold? Where is going gold, bullish or bearish after news? If I knew that, mate, I'd be a billionaire. Simple. Nobody knows, man. We can all take a calculated guess. We can all have a rough idea of where we think price is going to go based on our analysis, but nobody knows for sure. If I could sit here and tell you exactly where gold is going to go after news, like I said, mate, I'd be a billionaire. If I could predict that every single time, I'd be laughing. I'd be laughing, mate. But nobody knows, so we're just going to have to wait and see. We're going to have to sit tight, be patient, and wait and see. And if gold closes below this area here in about 10 minutes, I might take a sell. PS, appreciate the follow. Yes, I love you. Gold is rejecting this, this area up here. Yeah, it's created this Tuesday the 21st. Yeah, and it's now tapped into there 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. So yeah, we're well and truly in a consolidation on gold. And I'm betting that we have, of course, NFP next week. It's quite a while away, next Friday. But we could see gold moving very slowly up until then. What we got here? PMI on Tuesday. job openings on Wednesday, and then of course my NFP should have NFP this week. Maybe it's just not showing, but yeah, we have NFP next week. Euro USD. All right, let's take a look at Euro USD. Good idea. I haven't actually looked at Euro USD in a long time. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, very nice sell signal right there. Look at that. 23 pips. All right. Let's have a look at Euro USD. Let's go to the weekly. What's up, Laser? Yeah, NFP. For me, it's like 10:30 p.m. at night, or whatever it is. So, all right, let's have a look at the week. Actually, let's have a look at the monthly here on Euro USD, because the monthly, like I say, closes in 10 hours. Very nice monthly candle here on Euro USD. Very nice. But again, it's coming into this area to the left hand side, right? Coming into this resistance. You can see the rejection in there as well so far. But for the most part, broke previous monthly highs. If you guys actually remember as well, we actually talked about this, and the fact that Euro USD was creating bullish market structure here on the monthly time frame, right? High highs, high lows. As you can see, this month Euro USD has just smashed those highs, drove up. So weekly perspective, we're getting a weekly pullback now at this point. Didn't quite tap into this area right here, but yeah, weekly candle has pulled all the way back. It hasn't even bothered to continue bullish at all this week. We just pulled back here 134 pips, coming into previous weekly highs, which would be in there. That's the previous monthly high. We haven't retested that level. So overall, monthly obviously looks very bullish, but the weekly this week has been very bearish. We're pulling back. We are retracing potentially into this area, right? Euro USD could be retracing into here. You could see a strong reaction from this zone, the price to continue bullish, or it could be a further down here into this zone. But where is it? Right here. But yeah, today I would say Euro USD can continue bearish, right? Down into this area potentially. Once we start breaking those lows, but let's have a look. You got some kind of like support in here from the daily perspective. Can't see that on TikTok. You got some support in here from the daily perspective. That has now been broken. You can see that test as resistance. So there's a couple areas in here where you can start looking at potential trades. These 4-hour, 12-hour candles though today have been very slow, right? Very slow in here. So bit of consolidation, no volume. You're gonna need what's this? Inflation. That's we already had it. When is it? 19. We've already had inflation. Not much really happened there though. But we have the USD news, so the fact that we're seeing it spike up could be coming into this area to retest, to sell off potentially, because there's that level that you can see, that strong support level, now potential resistance. So I would either look at price coming into here and selling, or waiting for price to get down into this area to look for buyers back up into this area. That would be my my best kind of bet on what could potentially be happening there. That could be coming in next week though, to this area. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, today there's not really much happening. Very low volume candles, very low liquidity, consolidation. So not really much you can do about that. Not much you can do about that. I would wait. Yeah, I would wait for price to come into one of these areas, one of these zones, either this one or this one. Look for sales from here, look for buys from here, short term. And then see what happens next week. But you can clearly see that structure has been broken now. So you could, depends what happens first. If first of all you see Euro USD spike down into here without tapping this level, then you're going to see that bounce back up, I reckon, back into this area over here, you know, into here, and then beyond, potentially into here. But if we pull back first, if you pull back into this area and start retesting this area, then you could see further downside. But yeah, there's not really much you can do right now because of these candles, these 4-hour candles, even the 12-hour time frame. That volume has well and truly slowed. You got some very nice bearish volume in here, and now you can see that it's slowing down. Right, the candles are getting smaller and smaller, rejection wicks. And I would say at this point, it's just waiting for news, USD news tonight. And then you'll probably see it move again. Ready for you to put on a clinic? Your USD though. Looking nice. I think we definitely have to come down and test this zone for sure. Whether that be today or next week at some point, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, that's Euro USD. Yeah, I reckon you can come in. Yeah, come into this zone. A lot. Alright, let's have a look at gold. Is it continuing to sell off? Oh, it is. We've got a minute left here. For a potential sell. Only problem really is stops. We gotta close below this area first of all. And we gotta hope that it leaves some kind of rejection wick. So you want it to spike down, then retrace, leave that rejection. Otherwise, I understand. But I think we can come down into this area, about 26 pips. I need a top wick first though. I need a top wick. I want to see it pull back. Oh, that's not good. I want to see it pull back first. Pull back, and then I want to see it sell off. I want to see it pull back, and then I want to see it sell off. Top wick. Can you create a top wick before flipping bearish? Okay, very nice, very nice. All right, happy with that. If it flips bearish, I'm gonna get in on a sell. Why does everything I say on TikTok come out twice? What do you mean? Am I echoing? No. It's just for you, Sab. It's not echoing for anybody else, I don't think. Let me know how you know. Now we just need a flip bearish. What's up, Sean? Maybe it's just me. Yeah, I think it's just you. I think it's just you, Sab. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All good. You fixed it. Yeah. Oh God. We've got 24 minutes to wait. If you guys see my website, my new website, I'm very happy with it. I did it myself. Forexwithcody.com. News at 10:30. News at 10:30. Bum 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 bum. What do you think PC will be positive, negative for USD? I have no idea, Gary. No idea, brother. Nobody knows until it drops. They've forecasted that it's going to stay the same as previous. But as we know from, you know, these forecasted numbers, usually they're wrong. Quite often than not, they are wrong. If we just have a look at today's, actually, there was actually right today on the euro. But if you have a look at like here, they forecasted 2.8. It was actually 3. Here they forecasted 0. It was minus 0.1. Here they forecasted 3.4, but it was 3.5. Here they forecasted 100.9, but it was 103.3. So, you know, we can have a look at the forecasted numbers, and we can kind of, you know, gauge potentially off that, but nobody knows. Nobody knows it. I wonder what price feed they use. Fair economy. But yeah, do me a favor. Go to your phone, go to your browser and put in forexwithcody.com and have a look. Have a look. Tell me what you think. I'm very proud of my work. I was speaking to a couple people about creating one of these landing pages. And they were trying to charge me like thousands. They wanted like $700 or something up front, and they wanted a conversion rate, right? How many people click it? They get paid off how many people click it each time, like whatever it may be. And it would have ended up being like ridiculous amounts of money. And I just created one myself. $26 a year for my domain. How you see US 30? Let's take a look at US 30. In WordPress? Nah, this is just straight on Canva. I have like the pro subscription to Canva. So I've used Canva for a long time. So I'm very familiar with it. I'm very comfortable with it. So it was just no brainer to go with Canva. And it's $26 Australian dollars a year for a domain. So it's nothing basically. US 30, let's have a look. US 30, current weekly candle. We're tapping into this resistance, this weekly rejection wick up here. Let's take a look at the monthly actually, which was also the previous monthly highs where we're currently tapping into right now. So interesting times. Previous monthly candle bullish. Current monthly candle has continued bullish slightly, but we have come down and broke previous monthly lows and then flip bullish after that. So grab liquidity potentially down in here. Weekly perspective, we have obviously broke, closed and tapped into that monthly closure and started driving from there this week. Very positive for the US, for US 30. I'm just going to mark out previous weekly highs right there. I'm just going to mark that out with this. Daily, let's have a look at the daily. Yeah. So I'm seeing today, this all depends on news as well, right? Again, this all depends on news. But I'm seeing US 30 break these highs today and drive bullish, in my opinion. You really want to see how price is reacting in this area though. You really want to see like a 4-hour closure above this area in about an hour 50 minutes. But I'm thinking US 30 can break these highs today and drive a little bit more. 4-hour candle. Again, this all depends on news. It depends. News is gonna be the catalyst for most of these pairs today, right? News is gonna decide where gold goes. It's gonna decide where US 30 goes. It's gonna decide where a lot of US pairs go tonight, because there is a lot of consolidation, right? As you can see, US 30 also in a consolidation range right here, right? We try to break out, close straight back in. We're now back in this range where price is consolidating. So news is going to be the one that's going to, you know, make or break these pairs, right? If we're going to continue driving, or if we're just going to completely dump and come all the way down and break out to the downside. So we'll have to wait and see, but yeah, currently it's looking very bullish, right? Nice bullish 4-hour structure coming up with the higher highs and higher lows. Like I said, daily is bullish, weekly is bullish, monthly is bullish. The first 12-hour candle today actually closed bearish, which is not necessarily a good sign, but yeah, it's something we want to be wary of, that price could still be rejecting this area for it to flip. So yeah, I would wait for a 4-hour closure in about an hour 45 to see if we can close above this level and you know, stay above this level, because we previously failed right here. It was faked out, which was yesterday. But yeah, you can see the 30-minute has just currently closed above. Price is failing and struggling to stay above this area, as we can see over here. As we can see here, it closed below, tried to close back above, failed again, sold off. Now we're back here again, we've closed above, and now it looks like it's trying to close back below again, rejecting. So I would say wait for a 4-hour closure above. I think it can continue bullish today if you get the right news on USD, and if we get some 4-hour closures above here, you can start breaking these highs and continuing bullish. But yeah, it all really just comes down to news today. Bailey Halls, appreciate the follow. Yes, there is news tonight. There is news tonight. All right, so it looks like this candle has just flipped completely bullish. What's going, Steve? Steven, nice analysis. Appreciate you, bro. How's it going, Cody? Good, man. Good. If the 4-hour closes beneath, are you talking about US 30? If it closes beneath? What's up, Casperio? Do you only stream NY only? I usually stream around this time. Yeah, I usually stream around this time. From, you know, say about 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time to about 10:30, 11ish. But yeah, I usually stream like mid-London to New York open, and a bit after that. If the 4-hour closes below, then, you know, it just depends how it closes below. If it closes below ripping down and breaking structure, then you can start to look at, okay, price is rejecting this area. We've got the fake out, the retest, and then the potential sell-off back down to this area. But it just depends if it breaks structure or not, right? You've got 4-hour bullish structure right here. So yeah, it just depends. But the way everything is with US 30, from the monthly, from the weekly to the daily, I think this daily candle can drive with news, right? I think we can break these highs and spike up and drive a little bit. So I'd only really be looking at the buys. I wouldn't necessarily be looking at the sells, personally. Man, I'm losing my voice already. I haven't streamed for a week, and I'm 1 hour into the stream, and I'm losing my voice already. You're from Oz? Yeah, I'm from Australia, bro. Well, I'm from the UK originally, but I live in Australia now. I need to get my water. Finally, finally, Aussie streamer. Where are you from? I'm guessing you're from Australia, Caspira. Oh, you talking about gold? Yeah, I'm in Melbourne as well. I'm in Melbourne, bro. Victoria. Bum 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 bum. I need to update all of this stuff, the signals here in the YouTube channel that you can see bottom left or bottom right, whichever way you're looking at it. I don't like it no more. Wish M1 session was 6 p.m. Oz, yeah. Well, that's why I mainly trade like the pre-London to London Open, which is around like 3-4 p.m. Usually I'll start looking at the charts from 3 p.m. till about 7 p.m. That's my first trading window. If I turn on V5, you can see this is my first trading window right here. It starts at 3 p.m., closes at 7 p.m. My second trading window is at 11 p.m. through until about 2:30 a.m. But I rarely can stay up for this one because I'm looking at it like with my eyes, like trying to force my eyes over, like because 2 a.m. 2 a.m. is just too late for me, man. We're an hour away from news skets. Yeah, exactly. If that's the case, Casper, then it's obviously, you know, it's best to just stay out and watch it. That's what I usually do. I was looking at this potential sell here, but as you can see, price just flipped straight bullish, and it's bounced from this area. So the closer we get to news, the less interested I will get. Jay Davenport, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. I only trade gold with how not to be around all the charts too much. Yeah, exactly, Steve. Exactly, bro. 100% agree with that. The less pairs you can trade, and this is what I always tell people, especially newbies, right? Trade one pair during one session with one strategy, one setup, right? One pair, one session, one strategy. Focus on that for 6 to 12 months, and I guarantee you it's gonna be a slow start. Obviously, you know, when people first get into trading, they wanna trade 24/7. They're itching to get into the market. But if you can calm your mind and just step away from all that noise for a second, which is very hard to do, and you just focus on one pair, one session, with one strategy or one setup, I guarantee you in 6 to 12 months, you will see such a huge improvement. Such insane results that you never thought were even possible. I guarantee it. What's up, Yusuf? Bailey, 10:30 p.m. New all-time high today? Potentially. 100% later on it becomes a book that you know what's going on. Yeah. What is my bias? my bias on gold overall is for it to continue bullish. At the start of the stream, I did say, you know, I did do my analysis now. Overall, I am looking for price to come above these areas and continue bullish potentially today. Again, it all depends on what happens with news, right? You can't really, when you have red folder news, you can do all the analysis you want. It's not gonna really matter once news comes out. You may get lucky, it may go in your direction, it may not. Who knows? But yeah, my bias is for gold to continue bullish overall, break previous daily highs and continue bullish. But this was just this was a short-term scalp I was looking at here. I was thinking if price is, again, you know, we're coming into this area again, right? We rejected again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row now we've rejected this area that was created 21st of August. So my anticipation was that, okay, if gold wants to consolidate, if gold wants to range between this area and this area, or, you know, this area at the bare minimum where we've seen gold tap into today, then I'll look to get in a quick scalp from here down into here, which is that range, right? To fill this range down into this range, because we've already tapped into there today, right? So I was just looking for that ping pong bounce right there from here to here. But obviously this 30-minute candle has just drove up, didn't even break the lows, so I'm no longer interested in that sell anymore. But my overall bias today, like I said, is bullish. That's a nice 30-minute bottom wick. Sorry, a nice 12-hour bottom wick that has been formed. So I'll just leave those up. Bam, bam, ba-da-da. But yeah, I got the new website up and running today, properly. I've started the Academy database, so that is all my educational videos that I post into the VIP Telegram, and other videos like trade breakdowns, weekly outlooks, market prep, you know, educational stuff. All will be posted in the Academy database, right? We're gonna start building up a database now. That this is different from you know, the Price Action University that will be coming out very soon. But yeah, the Academy database is basically just a database of everything that I upload to Academy members. Lots of analysis, lots of weekly outlooks, pre-market preps, and some educational stuff as well. So yeah, that's new. Started uploading into that database today and yesterday. That's just going to be jam-packed with heaps of cool stuff, heaps of information. Some trade breakdowns that I've uploaded into there already. The US oil sell signal that I gave in the VIP Telegram this week for 160 pips. Beautiful sell-off. Broke down that trade. Some educational stuff there. Yeah, this was the trade that This was the move here that I called out in the signals channel. This beautiful move right here, 160 pips total. Which was right here, US oil. Beautiful move right there, 1,000 over 1,000 profit. So I broke that down. I broke that down on why I took that trade and why I gave that signal in the VIP channel. That's in there. Yeah, so I'm going to be uploading a load of stuff like that into the Academy database. Some other signals we caught this week. What else did we catch? GBP NZD. We caught some sells on GBP NZD. Where would we have got him from? We would have got him from in here somewhere, I believe. Yeah. Would have got him from in this. We got him from in this area somewhere here. So again, beautiful move there. That dropped for about 230 pips. That was that trade right there, $560. Euro NZD as well. So the same concept, GBP NZD and Euro NZD, capturing those sells right there. This, yeah, that would have been from in this area somewhere here as well. Look at that. Boom. 290 pips total right there. That one was about, yeah, $547 profit. Euro AUD, $600 profit. We had Euro AUD as well. We just caught these sell-offs this week on all these pairs, man. Huge sell-offs. We went from in here somewhere. 100 or so pips. Yeah, all these trades called out this week in the VIP channel. What else do we have? Let's have a look at CAD CHF because we closed this at break even. CAD CHF. What was it? A sell. I think, yeah, we sold in here somewhere. So it would have ended up going down a fair bit, but yeah, good job we got out of that trade at break even because we would have been sitting in a lot of drawdown right now. What else? NZD CAD, we got out of break even as well. NZD CAD. Have a look. What was that? NZD CAD was a buy. That would have worked out by the looks of it. Where would we have got in? Yeah, we would have got in over here somewhere, I think. That would have been a nice trade. But we got out of that one at break even. Yeah, man. Very good week. Very good week. So there's the 30-minute closure right there. So yeah, not interested in that sell anymore. We've got about an hour left until news. How long have we been trading? 8 years, Jay. Over 8 years now. Over 8 years now at this point. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Da, 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 da. Interesting. Interesting. You're just starting, Jay? Nice, man. You got a long road ahead of you, but, you know, it's going to be tough. It's not going to be easy. You're going to find out a lot about yourself. But it's worth it in the end if you stick to it. If you find the right guidance, and the right approach to the markets, and you're not being sold ridiculous dreams of, you know, thinking you're going to be a millionaire in 2 years, then you're going to be all right. Okay. But if you're thinking that you're going to flip, like, you know, if you think you're going to be a millionaire in a couple of years, it's unrealistic, and you're going to be in for a bit of a shock. But, you know, what is your trading strat? Are you full-time trader? Yeah, full-time, Dre. My strategy is price action, CPAC. Code is price action concepts. Coming soon to a computer screen near you. How long was it until you built your own strategy and took your own trades? Probably about... yeah, probably about 3-4 years or so. You have to start somewhere. I think it takes skill, patience, and commitment. Skill, patience, commitment, discipline, consistency. A lot of psychological aspects to it as well, Jay. And this is why I said you will find out a lot about yourself. Because yeah, mentally it's a massive strain mentally, especially when you first start. It's very overwhelming. There's a lot of information that you take on. And you don't know which information to kind of stick to, which way, you know. Yeah, it's very overwhelming, but, you know, like I said, stick to it. Find something that you're comfortable with. Find something that is like resonating with you and is not feeling like it's too complicated, like you can understand it. Because the more simple your approach, the better results you will see. Trust me. Keep it simple. Keep it very simple. You start out in trading with most of the time a very simple approach, a very simple strategy, right? Because you don't know much about the market, so you go on YouTube or wherever, you buy a course maybe, or whatever it may be, and you'll learn about support and resistance or trend lines or something like that, right? And that is at its core like a very simple approach, right? And if you stuck to that and kind of just tweaked it a little bit, you're going to see a lot of success. But if most of the time what we do is we start very simple and then we think, oh no, that's not, you know, that's too simple, that's too easy, surely it can't be that easy. And then you'll have like 2 or 3 losing trades and you'll go, oh, this doesn't work, I need something that works. So then you go off looking for something else, and you find all these very complicated strategies that you think, because they're so complicated and because they have all fancy names, these strategies must work, right? This must be the one. But that's not necessarily the case. Where do you see gold going? I have no idea. With news, if we didn't have news in an hour, then I would give you some, you know, thoughts on kind of my analysis and where I think gold could be going. Overall, you know, to cut it short, I see gold continuing bullish. But with news, you really can't kind of predict too much, right? You just gotta wait, see what the numbers are, see what happens, see the reaction, and go from there. We raw. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Been on demo account. The start of this week started a 2K live account 2 weeks ago. Nice, man. Nice, Bailey. The start of the year. Okay. I was gonna say, yeah, you're on a demo account the start of this week, but started a live account 2 weeks ago. It's like, what? So you've been on demo since the start of the year. Now you're finally going into live account. That's smart. That's very, responsible of you. Most people will try demo for a week and then go straight into a live account. Very sensible. Man, I need to warm up back into streaming. This shit is fucking like talking for two. During the day, I'll talk to my daughter, I'll talk to my partner a little bit, but I don't really speak a hell of a lot till I stream. Then when I stream, I just talk for like 2 hours, 3 hours straight. My voice is fucked the next day. That's why I had to start doing, I was doing like Monday to Friday. That's why I had to start doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because like I was just losing my voice all the time. HB, appreciate the follow. Let's go. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, bro. I'm just so fresh, so clean. What the predict for news today? No predictions. I don't predict news. You cannot predict news. Nobody knows. But overall, I'm saying gold can continue bullish today. Overall. Nice Euro USD candle. Thanks, bro. Where? This one? Euro USD is doing nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Gold is just ugly right now, man. It's just ugly. It is. Look at it. Awful. Do your best. I support you. Oh, thanks, man. Anyone here hold physical gold? I got like a gold chain. About it. Which I actually don't know. I took it off on holiday to go for a swim. And I don't know where I put it. I don't know where it is. Couple of bars buried in the garden. Do you actually, Vladimir? That's some G shit right there if you actually do. I love that. Sleepy gold. Go on the 1 minute time frame here. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the 1 minute time frame. Do 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 do. Free smoke, free smoke. Hey. Down, 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 down. Does anybody here trade the 1 minute time frame? I hold a bit of gold and a lot of silver, do you? Like bars or like other things? You hold gold, Hugo? Oh, you trade the 1 minute, Hugo? That's in the ladder, you die. Free smoke, hey. Free smoke, hey. Free smoke, hey. How do you find it? How do you find trading the 1 minute time frame? What's that like? That's in the ladder, you die. Bro, I can't stop yawning, man. Coins, bars, bullion. You got platinum as well? Shit, bro. My man's ready for a rainy day when digital currency is no more. Fiat is no more. Or currency in general. Metals would be the currency. Used to trade the 1 minute, blew too many accounts, yeah. The signals lately have been fire, crypto. On the 30 minute, I missed a lot of entries this week while I was on holiday. This one yesterday I took, obviously this was the break even. 12 pips profit, but then we had this one. 30 minute sell signal on Wednesday, 70 pips profit. Invalid signal, invalid signal. Beautiful buy signal right here. Would have gone up like 150 pips. Another buy signal right here. 43 or so pips. This one invalid. Nice sell signal here. 130 pips. Another one here. Two beautiful sell signals right there in the same day. 82 pips. This buy signal right here would have shot up about 62, 63 pips. And beyond 160 pips, but it may have got stopped out of break even there. V5 signals have been on fire lately. All-time high? You reckon we're going to see all-time highs tonight? Yeah, I'm ready for end of fiat. You know me, I'm a pepper. You reckon it's coming soon? Laser? You reckon the end of fiat is coming soon or what? All-time high today, 254357. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just going to get some water. Yeah, with BRICS backing all their currency with gold, yeah. Yeah, I agree, Laser. Damn, bro. I've been wanting to buy up some metals for a long time, but I don't even know where from. The market is a standstill today, yeah, for sure, Hugo. I know, bro. We had some nice moves in here, but what's up, Alamine? Cody, can you show us some tips on how you always enter a position? All right. Some tips on how you always enter a position. Get V5 indicator, and it will tell you exactly where to enter. Here's a sell signal, 70 pips. Here's a buy signal, 150 pips. Buy signal, 43 pips. Sell signal, 130 pips. Sell signal, 82 pips. That is my tip. Get V5. Look for a dealer in Melbourne. There are heaps. ABC, SD Bullion. All right, let me write that down. SD Bullion. But yeah, I personally like entries above highs or lows, right? I'm not the kind of person who or I'm not the kind of trader who would take an entry, say, down in here, right? After a push and a pullback and a continuation. I could very easily do the analysis, which would enable me to get into the market here, but I don't feel comfortable entering trades within these pullback areas. I personally have had all my success in trading and all the money that I've made on breakouts above highs of key levels, right? Which is what the V5 also gives as well. Shakila, 62 a month. Swan Bullion in Perth is the best in Perth. Yeah, Swan Bullion. But yeah, personally, this is what V5 does best, right? Which is these levels that it gives you, these key levels that it gives you, right? If I was to go to V5 in here and put on the AOI, the areas of interest levels, you're going to see all of the important levels on the chart here now, right? And if I just move that, you can clearly see all the levels that I just had marked out are on the chart right now within these levels, right there. But yeah, I personally prefer, you know, entries like above, for example, this area. Then we've got a nice range up into that next level, which would be about a 30 or so pip move. So I'll just mark out that. And then if I was looking at sales, it would be below this area right here that I'm going to mark out from V5 indicator. So now I can go turn all that off. And now I know, okay, if price starts coming above here, I'm going to look for buys above this area. If I don't catch the buys above this area to fill this range, I'll look for buys then above this area to continue bullish. Or I can look at sales now below this area, right? Break and tap sales. So the V5 gives you your entries. It gives you your key levels. Let me just have a look at what my target would be. My target for the sales would be down in there, okay? So yeah, those are my ranges for today. Buys above, sales below. Simple as that. Nah, it's not free name. It's too slow. XO gaming. Yeah, it is a bit slow right now. Gold, obviously, guys, it is the end of the month, right? So we got the end of the month in about 9 hours. So you can anticipate, you know, some kind of consolidation, some, you know, the monthly candle is about to close, the weekly candle is about to close. We've got news in about half an hour. Gold is already consolidating within these areas, within these levels, in this range right here, the consolidation within here. So there's not much we can do at this point, you know. If we see a setup, we can look to take it. If not, yeah, we just gotta wait. In a trade now, no. I was looking at sales momentarily here earlier, but this candle came straight back up, so No longer looking at sells. Do, 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 do. US 30, yeah, we had a look at US 30 a little bit earlier. And we were saying that US 30 right now is, look at that buy signal right there on US 30 yesterday. Look at that. 120 or so pips. Yeah, we were saying that for US 30, you need a 4-hour closure above this level here, right? In an hour's time. You got the 4-hour candle closure in an hour's time. You need a 4-hour closure above this level, and then you can look for price to fill this range here now, right? To fill that next range to the upside. You got a nice 150 or so pip range there to the upside and beyond potentially. But you just need a 4-hour closure above this level, I think, to continue bullish. You got about an hour left. Very nice, eh? Is that head and shoulder? Yeah, this is my head, this is my shoulder. Huge wedge on 4-hour. Head and shoulder, I don't see head and shoulder. Oh, you're talking about like here? You're talking about this level right here? I don't know. I don't trade head and shoulders. All this, that level that I just marked out, that was previous 4-hour. So this is break of structure now, right? If you take a look at this coming down, lower highs, lower lows, right? Now this candle smashed straight through it, boom, broke structure, right? Broke that structure. So all I did there was just get this break of structure 4-hour high, measured it to the body, so the high to the body, and now we broke it and we're retesting that area as a break of structure area right now, right? So that's all I just did right there. That's what that level is. Feel it. I don't trade head and shoulders. That shit just confusing as hell for me. Like, it's very general, very generalized head and shoulders. Is like, the way I like to trade is very mechanical, right? And that's the way I teach. That's the way I've coded V5. That's the way I do everything. It's all very mechanical, right? So head and shoulders is very generalized because I can look at a chart and I might see a head and shoulders from what I think, my perspective, but then the next person can come along and say, oh no, that's not head and shoulders. I don't agree that that's head and shoulders, right? But if you're going simply mechanical based on price action, off previous weekly, previous daily, previous 4-hour highs, lows, bodies, closures, bullish, bearish candles. There's no generalization about that. Nobody can argue if that's the top wick or not. Nobody can argue if that's the bottom wick, the weekly bottom wick, or that the previous weekly candle closed bullish or bearish. Nobody can argue those things because we can all look at the chart and we can all clearly see, yes, that's the previous weekly high, that's the previous weekly low, the previous weekly candle closed bullish, that's the previous daily low. Nobody can argue with that, right? It's there right in front of your eyes. So the way I like to trade is very mechanical based. I don't really like to trade support and resistance, head and shoulders, you know, because it's all very generalized on what one person sees compared to another person. So I keep it strictly mechanical. I trade what I see on the chart, what the chart gives me, based on candles, based on price action. That's it. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta deal with something. Goddamn neighbors making so much noise. Waiting for a breakout from the wedge. Not necessarily, not now anyway. Right now, I'm just gonna wait for news. Yeah, Jay, it's best to just stay out, man. Honestly. No all-time high? Potentially. Let's see. Leon, appreciate the follow. So this week, well, the last month, I've started working out again. I had a break for like a few years. Started working out, running like 5 days a week, lifting weights. And whenever I do this, my appetite goes crazy. Like, I get starving. I could eat a huge meal, and 20 minutes later, I'm starving again. I have a very fast metabolism, so I'm so skinny. So when I'm working out, when I'm running, when I'm lifting, I get a crazy appetite. Crazy. So usually I got a crazy sweet tooth as well. Like, whenever I'm hungry in the house, I'll just go get some biscuits, get some crisps, some chocolate, some cake. I'll just snack on shit all day, right? But now, because I'm working out, I'm trying to be healthy again. I'm fighting the urge every single second not to go and eat shit, right? So today, I haven't ate any shit, haven't ate any crap, and my partner's mum, she made like a huge container of homemade beef jerky, right? Just ribeye, no, eye fillet steaks, like beautiful cut steaks, and then she made beef jerky with it, and it's got like this sweet and like really hot chili sauce on it. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I've literally ate like almost a full container. I've ate like 20 pieces of it today, just straight beef jerky, because I'm just trying to eat protein, but I'm also trying not to eat shit. So whenever I feel hungry and I want to eat like cakes and chocolate and stuff, I just go grab one of them, and that satisfies my craving. But I've just had so much protein today, man. Just straight beef all day. You gotta look at it different, bro. Like, instead of I'm trying to be healthy, it should be I'm just normal. Because yeah, exactly, but exactly, Blake, exactly. I've been like, my family from a young age, my family are huge sweet tooth people. Like, you should see the amount of shit that I ate as a kid. It's unbelievable. So whenever the second I get hungry, the first thing I think about, my first instinct is to go and get chocolate, cake, anything. So like, I'm fighting it massively. Massive sugar tough person. So, but yeah, you are right. Eating like protein, eating beef and stuff like that is normal. That's a normal diet, right? That's what we wouldn't usually be eating shit, like sugary shit. So it's not eating healthy, it's eating normal. You're right. I was eating abnormally before, now I'm eating normally. I live on beef, yeah, I do as well. We've got this Wagyu beef as well that my partner's gonna cook. Looks fucking insane. Can you look at Al Naz? What's Al Naz? You just talking about Naz, like Naz 100? But I'm dedicated, man. Whenever I put my mind to something, I'll smash it. I done carnivore diet, lost 10 kgs in 2 months. Damn, bro. Shit. That's crazy. What about news? Yeah, news coming up. Lost my beer belly. Yeah, good. Beer belly's the worst, man. Like, I'm skinny. I've always been skinny, and you know, a lot of people would say like I'm lucky, but for me, I don't want to be skinny. I don't want to be big. Like, I don't want to put on weight, but I want to build muscle. And it's so hard for me to build muscle because I've got a crazy metabolism, and I've always been super skinny, and I've always been very active as well. Like, I do running and stuff. It probably doesn't help me. Like, I should probably do less cardio and more weights and bodybuilding stuff, but I just enjoy running. Nothing makes me feel better than running. So yeah, I'm trying to build muscle, but it's like I've got a good physique. I'm not skin and bone. I have muscle, but I want to build, like, you know, more muscle. How do I explain that? Adonis, what's that? Oh, is this a... Oh, okay, yeah. Greek God, yeah. When you first said that, I just thought of Drake's son, because Drake's son's called Adonis. I was like, huh, but then I realized that he was talking about... He probably wasn't talking about Drake's son, but probably more so the Greek god. Yeah, see, that would be a good body type right there. Who, Drake? Drake the rapper. Yo, Gen X Aussie Male. Appreciate the follow. Prediction for news? No predictions, man. No predictions. We're going to wait and see what happens. That's it. That's all we can do. Wait for the numbers. 15 minutes. Ay, ay, ay. Where is this pop out chat? Is that it? Am I shorting gold? No, I'm not shorting gold. I am not. I am not. I'm gonna wait for the second trading window, and I'm gonna look for trades then. Second trading window, boys and girls, V5 members. That's what I'm gonna wait. Oh my God. All right, we've got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Let's have a quick look, right? Let's go to Forex Factory and let's go here and do core price index PCE, right? And the last one happened on July 26th. July 26th. July 26th. This one. All right, so Not a huge reaction, to be honest. This was the move right here. Right? This was the candle. This was the news candle right here. Sorry, you guys can't see that. This was the news candle right here. So price did end up moving up a fair bit and then spiking up kind of later on in the New York session. But initially, when news first dropped, not a lot happened here, right? Not a lot happened compared to what we're used to seeing. I mean, look at this move right here on gold, right? This move right here wasn't any kind of news, right? And look at these candles in here, right? Strong candles coming down. That wasn't even news, right? So we're used to gold moving quite quickly. Whereas in here, when the last time this news event dropped, it didn't really do too much. 190 pip push to the upside, but initially on the first candle right here, not much happened. So if we turn on the 4-hour candles, previous 4-hour candle was bullish, previous 12-hour candle was bullish, and it continued bullish. So what was the one before that? 28th of June. 28th of June. So it happens once a month around the end of the month. Let's have a look over here. I mean, this one, core price. Yeah. So this one, you had a bit of a reaction in the market here. Spiked up and then spiked down and sold off from there. But initially you had like a 83 pip spike up and then price reversed and 60 pips. Let's check the previous four. Previous four was bullish. Previous 12 also looked like it was bullish. Yeah, previous 12 was also bullish. Yeah, so I'm saying gold can continue bullish here. Breaking previous 4-hour highs. Previous 12-hour candle was also bullish. We've got to break those highs as well. Created a nice bottom wick. I'm going to say gold can continue bullish here for news. I don't think we're going to see a huge reaction in the market from today's news, to be honest, but we'll see. Let's see. Sagar, appreciate the follow. We're ready, bro. We're ready. I'm ready for this news to be out so I can go to bed. Oh. Gold has been very, very sleepy again today, and it has been very sleepy for quite a while now. All right, let's go, boys. 20 seconds. Yeah, nothing. Nothing happening here. Well, that was very disappointing. Usually with these types of news events, it can be like a delayed reaction, but let's have a look at the numbers. Let's have a little look. Yeah, it stayed the same, so not a whole lot happening there. Numbers stayed the same. Back to the regularly scheduled programming. What happened? Nothing happened. Spreads just went crazy. I was watching the spreads there. Spreads went a bit crazy, but nothing actually happened. I think my spread on gold actually jumped up to like 15 pips for like second. But yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to break out of this consolidation just yet. So yeah, that was fun. Good times. Good times. What happened on AUD USD? AUD USD selling off. Gonna delete that AUD USD signal that I sent out. Bum 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, boys and girls, that's me done. I was hoping to see some movement here on gold with news. And, you know, look to get in some positions maybe up here. But, happening, bro. Nothing's happening. So, it's going to be next week by the looks of it. We're going to look for gold to do something next week. And we're going to look to jump into some trades. But, yeah, short, done, over with. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. I'm happy to be back. Hope you guys are, you know, happy to see me today. I will be live on Monday, 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, on TikTok. We'll look for some trades. We'll do some analysis. Hopefully, we'll have a bit more energy. First stream back after a week. You know, I'm yeah, lacking energy right now. But I'll see you guys on Monday, right? Appreciate you. Thank you guys for the likes on TikTok. I see you guys, 2.9k likes. 8 new followers. You guys over on YouTube as well. Appreciate you. How many likes did we get on the YouTube channel? How many? 14 likes. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Appreciate you guys. We had 20 votes, right? Get this. Get this. We had 20 votes on the poll here, right? On YouTube. 20 votes. 25 likes and 25 new subs today, right? 20 people voted on this. We only had 14 likes. So instead of people going and liking the stream, they've just gone, yeah, you can get 25 likes and 25 subs, but you're not getting it from me. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. All right, I appreciate you guys, man. See you next week. Have a great weekend. Bum 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 bum. See you later, YouTube.